Have you ever checked your post and observed people are watching, but nobody's talking? No likes, no comments, but the views keep climbing. So, who are these quiet people? And why are they always there? Let's talk about silent viewers, the invisible audience almost every creator has. They are the people who watch your stories, your reels, your videos. They are seeing your growth journey. They notice your consistency. They even wait for your content, but they don't react. No likes, no comments, no shares, just watching. At first, it can have that feeling of discouragement. You start thinking, do they even care? Is my content boring? Why are they not engaging? But here's the truth. Most creators don't realize. Silent viewers are not haters. They are uninterested. They are just observers. Some of them are shy to comment, watching from personal or private accounts, learning from you quietly, comparing themselves and feeling intimidated, supporting you in their own silent way, waiting until they feel connected enough to interrupt. And guess what? Many silent viewers become your future loyal supporters, buyers, or active top fans. Just not yet. Not everyone on social media is expressive. Some people consume content like they watch TV or television quietly. Your job as a creator is not to force them to talk. Your job is to keep showing up, building trust, and making them feel safe to join the conversation when they are ready. Because one day, that silent viewer will suddenly comment, I have been watching you for a long time. And that is when you realize they were there all along.